Correctly removing the Wix banner from the website is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Go to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Click on the website from which you want to remove the banner to access its dashboard. Look for the option to upgrade your plan. Typically, this will be in the top right corner of the dashboard or under the upgrade section. Set a premium plan that fits your needs and budget. Different plans offer different features, so make sure that the one you choose includes the removal of Wix ads. Follow the prompts to complete the payment process. You may need to enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. After upgrading your plan, you may need to republish your website for the changes to take effect. Once your site is republished, check to ensure that the Wix banner has been removed. You may need to refresh your browser to see the changes.